Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and finding the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. Here we have to scroll and find this option, block numbers. And your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam, and let's tap on block. So as you can see right here, we've got this characteristic icon, we've got the information, which means that we just successfully blocked this number. Of course we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist we have to tap on the settings. So just tap on the three that's icon in the right upper corner of this left section. I hope you know what I mean. And then enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers. And as you can see here, we've got the number, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. What is more, we can simply tap on add a number and now enter it manually. So just enter it and tap on block. Of course it will be immediately applied. You can also block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher at the top. And of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.